Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode, we're going through how to program a replacement side object module in a Holden RG Trailblazer. So do note there is a left and a right hand side. Today's episode, we're going through how to program the right hand side. Just make sure you do select the correct one when going to Flash. We're going to click on the vehicle button. We're then going to head and click on the SOMR, so the right hand side object module. We'll head to the flashing tab. We're going to make sure we have a battery maintainer fitted, and once we do, we'll click on the right button. This will then begin downloading the required files to suit that module for that vehicle, and then it will begin the flashing sequence. The flashing time for this is roughly about 20 seconds, so it is nice and fast. We'll see here that it will finish within the next few moments. That's it now done. It's just doing the finalization flash routine, and then we'll have a pop-up indicating that it is successful. Click OK, and we'll head up to the Learn functions. Now we're going to do the final action, which is the VIN security link. So this is going to program the vehicle VIN into this module. That's finished. Click OK, and finally we can head to the DTCs and we can clear any pending faults. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.